HAD and FIA, I'm going to show you some chords I like to play in the key of F sharp. I'm just pretty much walking up from the 4. Alright, going from the 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 4. Alright, so first chord, basically what I'm doing, let me break down to you what I'm doing. I'm starting off on a B major chord. Alright, so I'm in F sharp. I have G flat. I have G flat is my 1, A flat is my 2, B flat is my 3, B is my 4, D flat is my 5, E flat is my 6, F is my 7, back to my G flat, my 1. Alright, so I'm basically going from the 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 4. Alright, and then I'm just doing things different on my right hand to get the sound. So let me give you this first chord. Alright, basically, let me just give you the chords and I'll tell you how I'm playing it. First chord, I'm playing a B major chord. Left hand, I have B and F sharp or G flat. On my right hand, I'm playing B flat and E flat. And I'm also coming off the D flat to hit the E flat to give me that twang. Alright, next chord, I'm playing a D flat major chord. Alright. Left hand, I'm playing D flat by itself. Alright. Right hand, I'm playing A flat, D flat, and F. Alright, just a D flat major chord with D flat in the left hand. Sorry I don't have video of my hand. I'm having some difficulties right now. Next chord, I'm playing a E flat minor 7 chord. Left hand, I'm playing E flat. Right hand, I'm playing B flat, D flat, and G flat. Next chord, left hand I'm playing F, right hand I'm playing A flat, D flat, F, and A flat. So I'm playing a D flat major chord over F. Alright. Next chord, I'm playing a G flat major chord. I'm playing G flat on my left hand. Right hand I'm playing D flat, G flat, and B flat. Alright. So D major, D flat major, E flat minor, D flat major over F. Alright. G flat major. Next chord, one of my favorite chords. Left hand I'm playing B flat. Right hand I'm playing A flat, D flat, and G flat. Last chord, I'm going back to the very first chord I played. The B major 7 chord. Left hand B, G flat. Right hand B flat. Coming off the D flat to play the E flat. So take it down an octave, play the same thing, but it just play single notes on your left hand. So I'm playing D flat to E flat, the F by itself with my right hand, G flat by itself, same notes on the left hand. Alright. This time I'm playing F and D flat on my left hand. Alright, D flat by itself, B flat, down to the D flat, to the E flat. So the same thing. A change you can do. Alright, when you get to the when you get to the B flat chord, instead of playing that chord I showed you, the A flat, D flat, and G flat, you can play a G flat major chord. Alright. Add 9. So I'm playing B flat in my left hand. Right hand I'm playing G flat, A flat, B flat, and D flat. And left hand I'm playing B flat, F, and B flat. The last chord, play the same thing on my left hand. I'm playing B flat, G flat, and I'm adding an octave there. B. Right hand, I'm playing G flat, B flat, and then E flat. Sorry, G flat, B flat, and E flat. All right. One more change you can do. Alright, so after I play my first 3 chords that we've been playing, B flat, D flat, and E flat minor, instead when I go to my D flat major over F, I'm playing the same chord, but I'm not putting the A flat up top. Alright, I'm just playing the F up top. So left hand I have F, right hand I have A flat, D flat, and F. Next chord, I'm playing G flat. Let me let you hear what it sounds like. Alright, so same D flat chord without the A flat. Alright. We're gonna go to the G flat. We're gonna play G flat in the left hand. Right hand, we're gonna play B flat, D flat, E flat. Next chord, I'm gonna play just the A flat and D flat over the B flat. So left hand I got a B flat, right hand I have A flat and D flat. Last chord, I'm gonna play the B with my left hand, B and G flat with my left hand, and with my right hand I'm gonna come off the A flat, A, B flat, like that. So you have once again. Alright, so all of them are real slow. First one, I told you. That one faster. Second one I showed you, slow. On that one, you can take out the B flat, so just play G flat, A flat, and D flat over the B flat, F, and B flat. So once again. And then the last one I showed you. So, alright. And then that one there. Alright, so yeah. Play around with that. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know.